morning, good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Thank you for joining us today, focusing on overall vehicle in operation of APEC region. So let's talk about APEC as a whole. Overall, the APEC vehicle in operation base is expected to grow at a CAGR of 2%, crossing around 800 million mark by 2035. However, growth across the region is not uniform. Markets such as India, Vietnam, and the Philippines are growing much faster. In particular, India's VIO is projected to grow at around 5% CAGR, crossing over 110 million vehicles by 2035. This strong growth is supported by rapid urbanization, rising middle class incomes, better road infrastructure, and wider availability of affordable vehicle models. Another key driver for VI growth is the economic recovery across APEC, following the pandemic and supply chain disruptions. As of 2026, many APEC economies are benefiting from strong domestic demand, increasing regional and global trade, and higher foreign direct investments, especially in manufacturing and mobility related sectors. This trend improves consumer confidence and access to financing, which encourage more vehicles to enter the active fleet. Finally, an important structural factor is low vehicle ownership across much of APEC. Even today, vehicles per thousand people remain well below levels seen in North America and Western Europe. As a result, many households in the region are expected to buy their first vehicle in the coming year. This low starting point create a long runway for future VIU growth, especially in markets like India, Vietnam, Indonesia, and part of Asia. APEC VIU growth is steady overall, but the strongest momentum comes from the emerging market. Favorable demographics, economic growth, and low vehicle ownership are driving fleet expansion.